So in this lesson, we will be seeing on how do you create a Bitbucket account with the help of your email ID that you created in your first lab. So what exactly is a Bitbucket? So Bitbucket is similar to your GitHub. Okay, GitHub is where you actually store all your repositories and codes and everything. But Bitbucket is actually owned by Microsoft, whereas Bitbucket is actually owned by Atlassian products. Okay, so why do we need to create an account in Bitbucket? It's nothing but it's again another repository. There might be certain organization who are still using Bitbucket and they wanted to do a CI/CD from that Bitbucket. So I'm just giving you an option to create an account in Bitbucket because Bitbucket is also free, and some people might actually use Git or GitHub. So we have seen it on our previous labs. So how do you create an account in Bitbucket? Open a browser and then type bitbucket.org, and this is going to be your entry screen for Bitbucket. As I said, Bitbucket is actually owned by Atlassian product. Okay, and this is again used for your code repositories. Okay, it is same as GitHub, nothing difference, but GitHub is actually owned by Microsoft and Bitbucket is actually owned by Atlassian company. That's all. So here also you have an option of login, where if you already have an email ID and then registered with Bitbucket, you can log in, or else if you want, you can create it for free. So here I'm saying get started for free. So when I actually click him, give it some time. My mission is hanging. Okay. This Atlassian products also has unlimited private repositories and Jira's and Trello boards integration and continuous delivery as well. See, actually my system is hanging a lot. So let us give some time for this to log in. I'm just trying to refresh the page. Okay, I'm just clicking on this for one more time. Awesome. Okay, sorry for the delay, it took some time. Okay, so now this is going to be your sign up screen. Like this will be the similar screen that you would have seen in GitHub as well. So I'm just going to give my email address. Okay, and I'm just going to give my name, and then I'm going to create a password. Okay, so once after everything is done, or if you want, you can actually create it with the help of Google account or Microsoft account or Apple account. It's your choice. So I'm just clicking on sign up, and you just need to choose this and click on verify, and done. So it says check your inbox to finish the sign up. Similar to the GitHub, you will be receiving an email, and then you just need to go to your inbox, and we will see whether we are receiving an email. I'm still waiting for the email. Okay, it says sign up link has been sent to the email. So I'm just still waiting. Okay, we received it. Okay, so this is going to be an Atlassian email, and it says like to finish the setting up an account, start using Atlassian products, confirm we have got the correct email for you. So just click on verify your email, and then done. So I'm just going to choose the same username that I chose for GitHub, and then I'm clicking on continue, and then it just tells you like done. So this is going to be your Bitbucket screen where you can create your repositories, and here you can see a list of repositories that you have, list of projects that you have, and same access that you already have it as part of your GitHub. But if you see, a GitHub screen is totally different from your Bitbucket screen. Okay, and here also you have an option to actually choose multiple softwares of Atlassian, but we don't need, or we are not interested in those things. We're just interested getting into Bitbucket. Okay, so this is an area of Bitbucket, and when you click on your name, again you can see what is the name that you have created, and you can actually choose your personal settings. You can choose your websites, and again you can choose your notifications and all the things that we have seen it as part of our GitHub. Okay, so don't get confused with all those things. We'll be seeing it as part of our source code repositories, but for now, just understand how do you create an email ID, and then how do you create a GitHub account, how do you create an Bitbucket account, and how do you create your Azure DevOps account. So we'll be seeing it much more, like how do you check in the code into Bitbucket, how do you check in the code into GitHub, and how do you import a code from Bitbucket to Azure DevOps, all those things in our upcoming labs. Okay, so if you guys have any doubts or anything, please feel free to reach out. Until then, thank you.